everyone. So already I have started this part, that is differential equation with variable separable method. In the last class I have discussed the summary part. So today I am going to discuss some numericals based on differential equation with variable separable method. Okay. और इसका कुछ क्वेश्चंस में ऑलरेडी लास्ट क्लास में भी डिस्कस किया था, दैट इज बेस्ड ऑन जनरल सॉल्यूशन. Actually there are two types of solution. One is a general solution, another one is a particular solution. So some questions I have discussed in the last class based on general solution. Now today I am going to discuss some questions based on particular solutions. Okay, so before going to start explain this question, once again I want to tell you that the meaning of particular solution. What do you mean by particular solution? Particular solution is nothing but a solution which is free from arbitrary constant. जो solution में मतलब जो normal equation में एक भी arbitrary constant नहीं रहता है, that kind of equation is called, or that kind of solution is called a particular solution. Okay, so let us discuss the questions now. The first question is, find the particular solution of the differential equation. So here the differential equation is this one only, dy by dx is equal to y into 10x. Okay, इसके साथ दो कंडीशन दिया हुआ है, that is y is equal to 1 when x is equal to 0. ये जो कंडीशन दिया हुआ है, this condition will be given only in case of particular solution, not in case of general solution. क्योंकि जनरल सॉल्यूशन में एटलीस्ट एक आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट होता ही है. ऑलरेडी मैं डिस्कस किया, मतलब सॉल्व करने के बाद, इंटीग्रेट करने के बाद लास्ट में एक आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट रह जाता है. दैट इज इन केस ऑफ जनरल सॉल्यूशन, बट इन केस ऑफ पर्टिकुलर सॉल्यूशन देयर शुड नॉट बी एनी आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट. एंड टू रिमूव दोज टाइप ऑफ आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट ओनली दिस कंडीशंस विल बी गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. ये जो कंडीशंस है ये लास्ट में यूज होगा, पहले इक्वेशन को सॉल्व कर लेता हूं. Okay, so here the equation is dy by dx is equal to y into 10x. So how can we solve this equation? So dy by dx equal to y into 10x. So left hand side में है dy by dx. Can I write it as dy by y is equal to 10x into dx? What do you mean by variable separable method? मतलब dx के साथ variable x contain होना चाहिए और dy के साथ variable y. So can I write this differential equation as like this, dy by y is equal to 10x into dx. Separate कर दिया variable. Okay. Now after separating the variable, what is the next step? You have to integrate on both sides. So integration dy by y, which is equal to integration 10x into dx. Okay. So now integrate it. What is integration dy by y? We all know integration dy by y is log modulus y, which is equal to integration 10x. Integration 10x is log modulus sec x, and after that don't forget to write arbitrary constant. You have to add an arbitrary constant because this is indefinite integration. और एक बात, जब particular solution निकलना है, first you will get the general solution only, because you see here one arbitrary constant is there. After getting the general solution, from that general solution only you can able to find the particular solution. Now let's see how to find the particular solution. So log mod y equal to log mod sec x plus c. This can be written as log modulus y by sec x. This is equal to, can I write it as log c? Or better you write c only, no problem. Okay, log of modulus of y by sec x. How can we write y by sec x? ये log sec x को लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में लेके जाने से log y minus log sec x होगा. So log a minus log b is log of a by b. वो प्रॉपर्टी यूज किया. Okay, this is equal to c. This is say equation number 1, which is a general solution. But according to our question, you have to find the particular solution, right? Now you have to use this condition. ये condition तो क्वेश्चन में दिया है. Y is equal to 1 when x is equal to 0. Now put when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1, then equation 1 can be written as log of y is 1, sec x. What is x? X is 0. What is the value of cos x? There is a cos 0. Cos 0 is what? If cos 0 is 1, then sec 0 is also 1, because the reciprocal of 1 is 1 only. So we know the value of log 1. The value of log 1 is 0. तो यहाँ पे आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट क्या हो जाएगा, मतलब c का वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा, 0 हो जाएगा. You can solve this question in this way also, or else here if I write, this is say equation number 1. Here if I write log 1 is equal to log sec 0 प्लस c. मतलब लास्ट में जो एक्सप्लेन किया था वैसे भी कर सकते हो, नहीं तो यहाँ पे भी डायरेक्ट पुट कर सकते हो. y is equal to 1 and x is equal to 0. So log 1, we all know the value of log 1. So the value of log 1 is 0. So the value of log 1 is 0. So 0, which is equal to log of sec 0. What is the value of sec 0? Sec 0 is 1. So log 1 is, again log 1 will get, so log 1 is equal to 0 plus c. So that means the value of c is 0. This is the equation. Now इसमें तो equation number 1 दिया हुआ है. Now put the value of c in the first equation. Put the value of c in equation number 1. So if I put the value of c in equation number 1, what will you get? Log of mod y is equal to log of mod sec x. Yes. मैं इसके पहले जैसा एक्सप्लेन किया था वैसे करने से भी c का वैल्यू 0 मिलेगा, और ऐसे डायरेक्ट पुट करने से भी c का वैल्यू 0 मिलेगा. अगर किसी को लॉगरिथम का प्रॉपर्टी पता नहीं है तो डायरेक्ट वी कैन पुट, यू विल गेट द सेम आंसर. सो c इक्वल टू 0 मिला, वो c का वैल्यू इक्वेशन 1 में डाल दो. नाउ व्हाट विल गेट? लॉग ऑफ mod y इक्वल टू लॉग ऑफ mod sec x, बिकॉज c इज 0. Okay, now from the both side we can eliminate log. So if we eliminate log from both side, what will you get? Y is equal to sec x, which is the required function or required particular solution of this given differential equation. You see, you can see that there is no arbitrary constant, and the definition of particular solution is which is free from arbitrary constant. Okay, the solution which is free from arbitrary constant is called a particular solution, and this is the solution which is free from arbitrary constant. So y equal to sec x is the required answer, that is the required particular solution. Okay, some more questions I will discuss now.